Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to get gold Clockwork headphones on Roblox. So firstly, we need to open our browser. Then in the search panel, we'll type Roblox. Then open the Google search. Now go to the website of Roblox. Now we have to go to the Robux purchase tab on the top hand side. After that, we will see an offer that we can get a gold Clockwork headphone either by purchasing the 11,000 Robux package or 25,000 Robux package. You can select either one of them and click on the Robux icon. After that, you will proceed to the secure payment section with Roblox. In here, you can use your credit card, debit card, PayPal, Roblox redeem card to purchase 11,000 or 25,000 Robux, and you will get the gold Clockwork headphone item with them.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.